So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to review the Senti Toys Innovo. So sorry, but it is not Innovo, it is Innova. So I have got it for around 230 bucks, but I would like to say that please don't pay more than 260 bucks because it is not worth more than that because it doesn't have any door. So let's start with the review. So first of all, if you will look on the wheels, then they are in black and the sides are in white. And then if you will talk about the headlights, then they are in pure black, which are obviously tilted with color. And over here you can see that Innovo is written, but it is a Innova. Why Senti Toys keep on doing this, I don't know. And here are the fog lamps which are in orange. Why, I don't know that also, because usually fog lamps comes in yellow or kind of rainbow color or white or max to max blue. I have never seen this color of fog lamps. And the chrome grill looks nice, but still it causes a little bit of black spots. Nothing to do because the chrome quality isn't good and the wipers are looking good. And if you will notice the interior, then interior is kind of okay. The finishing is not that much good also, not that much bad also. Okay kind of. And here is a sunroof which looks kind of nice with the toy. And if you will notice, then this is also black. It looks like a spoiler, but it isn't. The company gives it, it is looking like a spoiler because it is in black. If it would be in white, then it won't look like a spoiler. And in this look I can say that it is a sports car, but there are no much stickers which I have not kept because the color is in white. But I like the white and the silver color, not any other color, because in red color and all it was looking kind of very much fancy. That's why I've chosen the white color to review. And if you will see the tail section, then the tail section looks really nice, a pretty tail section. And over here, which you think you all can see in black, that I have only made, the company doesn't give. And over here the Innovo branding, and from the back it looks nice. There are the tail lights. Over here also one you all can see that I have not made, the company does gives it. Okay, so if you will talk about the down portion, then wait a minute. So over here you all can see Senti Toys Innovo. Why Innova? And here is a spare tire which you cannot use at all. And here is the small bent pipe of it, I mean the exhaust pipe obviously. And the front is kind of okay. And if you will talk about the pull and push motor, then that I will show you. So I would like to tell you that the pull and push motor is quite nice, and the door handles and this plate on the doors looks really nice and gives a premium touch to it. And as you all know that Toyota Innova is a ship on wheels. Really, if you will ride it, then only you can understand. But if you wanna keep a Innova in your collection, then you can obviously choose the Senti Toys Innova because it is kind of more cheaper, and obviously it is a plastic toy, but the build quality is kind of okay, not that much good also, not that much bad also. But I won't say that you shouldn't buy it. You should buy it, but the Senti Toys could give doors, but since I gives, but that doesn't looks any way to the Innova. It looks something else, only the name is it. So guys, I will be bringing some more Sensei toys also, so please be tuned to my channel. So this was all for today's review. I hope that you all have liked this video. So bye guys, I will see you on the next video.